Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make margarita on rocks, full guide. Gather 2 Oz tequila, 1 Oz Cointreau, 1 Oz fresh lime juice, salt, ice, and a rocks glass. Start by rimming the glass with lime and salt, then fill the glass with fresh ice. Pour measured ingredients over ice and stir gently to chill and dilute slightly. Garnish with a lime wheel and enjoy responsibly. In this video, I will explain how to make margarita on rocks, full guide. Measure 2 Oz tequila, 1 Oz Cointreau, and 1 Oz fresh lime juice for a balanced profile. Use Blanco for crisp agave notes or Reposado for gentle oak warmth. Keep ice fresh and plentiful to chill without over-diluting. Taste and adjust sweetness or acidity if needed, then garnish and serve immediately for best enjoyment. In this video, I will review how to make margarita on rocks, full guide. Quick pause to say if you enjoyed the tips, please subscribe and like for more cocktail guides. Quick recommendation: the Little Trees Black Ice Freshener keeps your car smelling great after grocery runs or cocktail shopping. Check the description for the link and extra deals, and thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to make margarita on rocks, full guide. Rim the rocks glass with lime and salt, then add a full scoop of fresh ice. Pour the measured tequila, Cointreau, and lime juice over the ice and stir gently for 10 to 15 seconds. Taste and adjust if necessary, then garnish with a lime wheel. Serve immediately and enjoy the bright, balanced flavors with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.